Just a little bit. Back. Stop. That's the line. Driver. You walked that and I have videos of Buggy struggling.
We're going to be doing a 3-point turn here. Just one more, you'll be fine. Back up.
You need to go watch the YouTube and watch how many people failed going up that. An Ultra 4 car couldn't make it up that.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, you just have to do the 87-point turn and you're good. That's the key.
I told you I knew the line.
Oh yeah, you did.
One more.
Yep.
This is a little rough here.
Yeah, this will probably be the hard part.
You could try that way and hug that. I think that's more doable than this.
Yeah.
Go that way. Yep. Yep. Now turn. Turn.
I am.
Let it walk.
Oh,
Ah.
oh dude. You got this.
Yep. You walked it.
These tires are something else. It should not be able to do that.
Hug that tree. Tree. No, I said hug the tree. Back up. Right there.
I just gotta get up on that, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, give me a
Nope. Back up more, driver. Right there, back up. Stop. Yep, that's it. Driver. Yep, driver. Hard driver now. Hard driver. Yep, hard driver.
That's all I got.
Yep, straight. Yep, yep, yep. Badass. Drive it. All right, stop. Back up, hard driver. Hung up on that. Back up, hard driver again. Don't go off that edge. That was badass.
Yeah. I know.
Alright, back up just a little bit more. Same drive. Stop. Come forward.
Where? Driver or passenger?
Hard passenger if you can. Damn it. Back up just a little bit.
Like which way
Just straight.
Okay.
Stop. It's that weird dip. Back up.
Can I just bump it over that?
Yeah, give it a little bump.
How far can I go back?
A little bit more. All right, stop. Steer a little bit driver. Right there, bump it.
Just go straight.
Yep. No, back up. Back up. Stop. Can you do me a favor and throw a couple rocks right in front of his tires?
I think the other reason we get a little gas smell is because, you know, I have no...
That big one right there. Yep. Might need one more. Back up. I don't like that. Back up just a little bit. Back up. Do that again, but bump it. Bump it from there. You're on your rocker now.
It's now hung up on this one.
Yeah, rocker. Go, 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 go. Yeah. It's just your dip. Back up. Back up and bump it. Go. Yeah. Once you get past that, turn my way. Yep. Follow that ridge right down like that. Yep. No, you're good. Yep. Straighten up. I wouldn't hard yet. I'd go a little bit straighter. Hold on, let me get out of the danger zone. All right, stop and get my way. I can't hear that. That's where it gets really lean. I like here. Fuck that. More. Huh. More. That's it. Yeah. No. Right. Right there. Stop. Now go back. Yeah, steer towards me. Come forward. Come on, come on, come on. Yeah. Keep on coming. Stop. Back up. Back up, driver. Fucking sketch. Something does not belong here. Stop! Stop! Back up! Hard driver. Hard driver, back up a little bit more. All right, stop. Come forward, just like that. It wants to do that again. All right, stop. Start it back up. What is he hung up on? Hold on. Oh, you're in that hole. Back up, see if you can back up. That's what's causing it to unload. Woo! Keep going, keep going. Go, 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 go. Stop. Yeah. Yep. Hold on 1 minute. It's just that, right?
Bounce it a little. Just bump it.
Just a little bit, but get ready.
Yeah.
Very carefully.
I think I got it.
Yep. Yeah. Hell yeah.
Just a mini bump.
Start coming my way. Climb this big ridge. Stop. You're going to be into the diff. Back up.
Okay.
That pointer is going to go right into the diff. Yeah, back up, passenger. Climb this. Yep, good. Come my way.
Turn it off.
Oh, stop. Stop. Turn it off.
Lincoln?
Yeah.
You hit.
You just stay in there and give me the
Wrench.
That was badass.
What's that one got?
Again. Yeah, keep going. Just stay my way. Yep. Yep, keep going. Just like that. Just like that.